Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. In this video, we are going to discuss code switching and code mixing. Code switching and code mixing are two related but distinct concepts in linguistics. Code switching refers to the practice of using two or more languages or language varieties in the same conversation or communication. This can occur within a single sentence or even phrase. Code switching can be intentional or unintentional and is often influenced by social or cultural factors such as a desire to fit in with a particular group or to express a particular identity. Core mixing, on the other hand, refer to the practice of using elements from two or more languages or language varieties within a single sentence or utterance. Unlike code switching, code mixing does not necessarily involve a full switch from one language to another. So, in code switching, we have a full switch from one language to another, while in code mixing, the full switch is not involved. To illustrate the difference between code switching and code mixing, let's consider some examples. Example of code switching. Hey, can you pass me La Salle? In the sentence, hey, can you pass me is an English utterance which is then followed by La Salle, which is a Spanish term for salt. So in this sentence, you can observe that there is a full switch from one language to another, like hey, can you pass me is an English utterance and which is followed by a Spanish term la sal, and there is a full switch. First, there is English language, which is then followed by a Spanish term. In code mixing, the full switch is not involved, but different codes are mixed together, like I need to comprar some groceries. In this utterance, In this English utterance, a word comprar, which means buy and it is a Spanish term, is inserted between an English utterance, and we can't see any full switch. So in this sentence, two codes are mixed together. So this is called code mixing. Conclusively, in code switching, there is a full switch, which is obvious in example, while in code mixing, the codes are mixed in such a way that we can't infer that there is a complete switch. The complete switch is not visible. So, in both cases, multiple languages or language varieties are being used within a single sentence. However, in the first example, there is a clear switch from one language to another, while in the second example, elements from two languages are mixed together within a single sentence. So, in short, in code mixing, two codes or multiple codes are mixed together, while in code switching, there is the full switch from one code to another. Thank you very much for watching.
Hello, my name is Kurnia Haron. Today I will explain about the code switching and code mixing are both linguistic phenomena that involve the alternation or the combination of two two more language or dialect within a conversation or discourse. Here's a brief explanation of each. Number one, the code switching. Code switching refers to the practice of changing from one language or dialect to another within the some comparison or the interaction. It is often done socially and can serve various functions such as expressing identity, emphasizing a point, or conveying specific cultural nuances. The code switching is common among bilingual or multilingual individuals, and it can occur within a sentence pairs or even a single word. The code mixing on the other and envelopes blending elements from two or more languages or uh, from two or more languages or the dialects in a single utterance or the sentence. It can be more spontaneous and might not necessarily follow the grammatical rules of any of the language involved. The code mixing often occurs when a speaker is not entirely proficient in one of the language and relies on elements from another to fill gaps in their vocabulary or the convey certain concept. Both code switching and code mixing are complex linguistic behaviors that reflect the dynamic nature of language and the rich language background and individual and communicative. They can be observed in various multilingual settings around the world. I think that's all for me. Thank you and see you.